big windows here. As you can see, it is so sunny, and we have a beautiful view of the mountain, guys, there, and other apartments. Hello guys, so we are looking a restaurant, guys, to go and eat, but the thing is we are not sure if they accept dog. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May. Okay guys, so I want to show you guys the apartment, okay, where we are staying for 4 days. Okay guys, so that is the main entrance. That's the door. Okay, if you stand here, yes, in front of the door, then to my right you will see this cabinet, guys, where they put plates, wine glasses, and all that stuff. And these are our things, and below nothing. And we also have our dining table here, yes, with 6 sitters. We have paintings and the lamp, guys. And on my right side you will see this radiator and the interphone, yes. And if you continue walking, you will see, of course, the living room, yes. And in the living room they have this big light, yes, this big lamp, the sofas, yeah, the coffee table. And we also have this furniture, guys. We do not know what's inside. It's nothing, yeah, yes. And here are the rules and phones, yes, guys, of the apartment. And they have this art, and they have this fireplace, guys. So it is really so nice. We can use this in winter when it is very cold, but it's not that so cold yet, yes. And we have this television, yes, very nice television. And we have these big windows here. As you can see, it is so sunny, and we have a beautiful view of the mountain, guys, there, and other apartments. Okay, my husband went to take water. So guys, this is the hallway going to the kitchen. And this first door here to my right side, this is the kitchen, yes, this is the kitchen. And these are our food for these days, guys. Come, Russell. A very small kitchen, guys. Very cute siya. Yes, malit lang siya, guys, but complete siya, guys. My oven, we have this cooktop. We also have microwave here. It's very nice, and lots of cabinets, as you can see. And this is the fridge, guys, tall one. Alright, so this is the kitchen. And let's continue. And into my left side, guys, this is the first bedroom. Yes, this is double size bed, guys. So this is the bed, yeah. This apartment is good for 6 person, guys. Yes, and they have this chair, this full-length mirror. They have this one. They have some decorations here. And of course there are 2 bedside table and bedside lamps. And this is the closet, guys. Okay, so this is the first room. And once you come out, guys, from the first room, this is the toilet. Yes, this toilet is pretty nice. Yeah, look at this. And this is the shower. It is really so nice. Toilet and a sink. Yeah, and cabinets. And we have this mirror. And hi. So this is the first toilet. And if we continue, guys, another room here. And this bedroom is double size also, guys, but there are two small beds, single beds. There are two single beds. Yes, so one here and another one here. Our Russell is exploring. It must be nice, guys, if we open the window, but I think no need. Yes, and this is the closet. Yes. Okay, let's continue to the... And guys, let's continue. And another small room here, guys. And we have these like utility room. Yes, where they keep things here. Yes, like cleaning materials, ironing board. Yes, iron and rack to dry clothes. Okay, let's close it. And this is the master's bedroom, guys. So let's open it. This is the third bedroom. Sorry. All right, so this is the master's bedroom. Yes, so that's the bed. Yes, and it's quite big, guys. It's so nice. And this one, guys, is a window. Yeah, window, but because we are going out, so no need to open the window. Yes, and they have these chest of drawers. Yeah, they have these paintings. Yes, and they look at Russell, and they have this full-length mirror, and it's me. Hi. Yes, guys. And Russell, come. So we are going to sleep here. Yes, and that is the closet. It's pretty big as well. Yeah, can you see? It's pretty big and huge. It's tall. All right, and this master bedroom, guys, it has this toilet or ensuite. All right, so this is the ensuite, guys, of this master's bedroom. So they have bathtub, toilet, and they also have this beautiful sink. Yes, it is nice. And another mirror here. Yes, and they have this small cabinet, maybe medicine or where you can keep your toothbrush. And they also have this radiator because, guys, in winter it is very, very cold here. Yes. Okay, guys, so that's the apartment tour, guys. Yes, and that's it for today, guys. That's it for our apartment tour. Haley is eating apple and breadsticks, and Lakota is playing. And hubby is in the kitchen preparing something to eat. He's preparing a snack. That all these buildings, guys, or apartments only for summer and in winter because they have a ski station here. Yes, and yeah, I think no one lives here in winter.
No,
I mean,
yeah.
the whole year. I mean,
the whole year, but in winter,
the whole
yes,
year,
they come
no
for
one
skiing.
lives here in As you can see, guys, in front of us, that's the ski station. Yes, it is very near. That is why. The view is amazing. How I wish you were here to see the view.
Volia conduir al final. Sembla que encara condueixo més jo,
Perquè estic fent de reportatge, amor maio.
That's the reason. Okay. Sure.
So where are we going?
Panticosa. No, ja que estem a Panticosa, ja si no anem a Pobla, només faltaria això, no?
Okay, guys, so we are going to the town of Panticosa. So actually we are in Panticosa, and Panticosa is 17 kilometers away from France. So probably we are going to France tomorrow.
Camping está aquí.
¿Cuál camping?
Aquí podemos ver las vistas, podemos ver aquí la escultura con máscara. Hola, pues mireu darrere aquí en les muntanyes.
Look, guys, the sculpture is Daddy, your hand. The sculpture is also wearing a mask. The sculpture is wearing a mask.
The sculpture is wearing a mask.
And here is Panticosa. So guys, the ski station arrives here.
OMG.
Can you see the green posts? Okay, so the ski station starts here with the ski lift chair. Here.
My God.
Here it starts here.
Hailey, fem així amb ritme de visita. Y aquí vemos la estación de esquí de Panticosa.
Hello guys, so we are looking a restaurant, guys, to go and eat. But the thing is, we are not sure if they accept dog. That is why my husband and Hailey are going out. Yes, guys, and they're going to us to the restaurant. That restaurant, guys, the yellow house, that is hotel. Yeah? Yes, that's why. And this road, guys, is going to France, and it's only 15 kilometers. It is very cold, guys, and I am wearing my winter jacket. My husband is wearing too, and we couldn't go and eat, guys, to the restaurant because they don't accept dog. So what can we do? We are going to find another restaurant, and hopefully we can find one. If not, we will eat at the apartment.
We have food.
Yeah, we have food. Hello guys, so we are here at the camping, guys. We are at the campsite, and they have restaurant here. And Russell is sleeping. And Hailey and my husband went to ask if they allow dogs, and they said that yes.
Hi.
Hailey
Hailey
is reading the menu, guys.
That's the first time that we read the menu by the mobile. After reading the QR.
Yes.
¿Sí? Con langostinos, langostas de mar, crustáceos.
Let's eat, everyone. Kain tayo. Let's eat, everyone. Now we have here our risotto with longanisa and truffles. Okay guys, so this is the dessert. And thank you all so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any fun videos. We have many fun videos and interesting videos coming up. Yes, okay guys, and hope to see you again guys with a brand new video. Bye.